Hello everyone, welcome to Global Disaster News. According to United States Geological Survey, an earthquake of 4.2 magnitude felt in South Pacific Ocean, Chile. Depth of this earthquake is 10 km. Estimated release energy from this quake is 35 megawatt hours, which is equivalent to 30.1 tons. Weather at epicenter at time of quake: overcast cloud, 14.6 degrees centigrade, 58 Fahrenheit, humidity is 78% and wind is 12 meters per second from southwest. Nearest volcano is Palumu. Nearby towns and cities: 65 km west of Cartagena and 66 km west of San Antonio. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for more updates about earthquake. Thanks for watching.